September 20, no, not September, October 26th. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have the new Sassy Sauce Polish October releases for you. Another video that is not Halloween related, but I really wanted to bring you the live swatches of the new Sassy Sauce polishes. Carrie is releasing 4 new nail polishes in the month of October, and I also received her polish pickup polish for the month of November, which is Fairy Tales. And in today's video I will show you live swatches of all of these nail polishes. You guys really seem to be enjoying my live swatches of her polishes. I do hope you will like this one as well. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up my video, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming review videos for her polishes, then also hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much, Carrie, for sending me all of these, and I already swatched them and I am in love again, but I'm not gonna jump the hoop, and I will come back at the end of the video and tell you my thoughts on all of these polishes. I will link for you everything in the description box, so definitely make sure that you check out her website and her Instagram. And these polishes are releasing on October 26th at 11 AM CST, so that's the last Saturday in October. And the polish pickup polish will be available November 1st through November 4th through the polish pickup website. Again, everything will be in the description box, so definitely check out all the details and some short descriptions on all of these polishes. Now I will jump into the live swatches, and then I will come back and share my thoughts on them with you. What do you guys think about these nail polishes from Sassy Sauce Polish? I am again absolutely in love with all of them. I do have to say that Cocktails and Bad Decisions was probably my least favorite from this entire set, but it is mainly because of the finish of the polish. Even though it's purple, and you guys know that I love purple polishes, that one was kind of my least favorite, but it is still beautiful, especially if you do enjoy frosty finishes on your nails. I'm pretty sure you will be enjoying it. All of the polishes are 2 coaters, and I really like these releases, so definitely stay tuned for October 26th at 11 AM CST. And my most favorite is definitely the ugly pretty color in this collection, Get the Poop On. This one, it's stunning, beautiful. I love it, and it's so fall appropriate. Also with Chickbait, I think it might be a pretty good dupe for China Glaze's Ruby Pumps. I haven't compared those 2 polishes yet, but just based on the swatches and the look of the polish, I think there might be something going on. And Boujie is absolutely stunning. I think that's my second favorite in this collection. All of these polishes have something different in them, and that's what I really like about Carrie's collections. As far as the polish pickup polish goes, that one is inspired by Edward Scissorhands, and it is a magnetic polish. You can either layer it over a black polish, or as I showed you in my swatches, it shows a beautiful shift even over its own color, so I really enjoyed it. That one will have a cap. I believe it's 300 polishes in the United States, but again, everything will be linked for you in the description box. So let me know, guys, which one was your favorite out of these 5 polishes, and if you will be picking up any of them. Make sure that you show some love to Carrie, because her polishes are absolutely amazing, and I can't thank her enough for sending me these for review. And as you know, even though they were sent to me, I always give you my honest opinion, and I do think that for 99% her polishes are close to perfection. So thank you so much, guys, for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.